Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss CBSE class 9 maths chapter 7 triangles. We are going to see another conceptual video which is going to be included in the sums in exercise 7.2. So here we start with theorem 7.2 which deals with the properties of a triangle. So we are going to see two theorems under the properties of a triangle first before we switch over to the exercise 7.2 and the related exercise and the example questions. So now we'll get into the theorem, children. So what does the theorem state? Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. We know what is an isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle means what? Two sides are equal. Okay. So two sides are equal. Then you call that to be an isosceles triangle. So in such an isosceles triangle, they are saying that the angles opposite to the equal sides. That means if this side and this side are equal, the angle opposite to this side will be this angle and the angle opposite to this will be this angle. Okay. So they say that these two angles are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. This is the theorem. So now we will have to know how it is true. So we are given an isosceles triangle. Therefore we consider AB is equal to AC. So we are taking AB is equal to AC and we are doing a small construction, that is we are drawing an angle bisector. Angle bisector means it will divide this angle A into two equal halves. That means this side we will have the angle to be A by 2, here again A by 2. For example, if angle A is going to be 30 degree, if angle A is going to be 30 degree, then the angle bisector will divide it into equally like 15 degrees and 15 degrees. Okay, totally we get it as 30 degree. So this is an angle bisector. So we are drawing this angle bisector. Now this angle bisector intersects a side BC at point D. Okay, so D is the point of intersection of this bisector. Now as we have constructed, we can say that angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. So this angle and this angle are equal. That is what we've got here. Now we are going to consider these two triangles. Which two triangles? This triangle and this triangle. Okay. So now we'll draw it BAD. So I am going to draw B, A and D. Again DAC. Okay. So again I am going to consider the triangle DAC. So if you look at DAC here, you are going to have the right angle at the point D. Is it clear, children? So we are having right angle at point D. So now you can see that it is going to be D, A and then I can also write it as C. Even in this way I can write. Okay. So now we already know AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Okay. Now we know that these two angles are equal. BAD is equal to CAD. So these two angles are also equal. And we can say AD is the common side. AD is the common side. With this, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. How these two triangles are congruent? Side, angle, side. As per the side angle side rule, we can say that triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD. Remember, children, when you write the congruence, you should be very careful. Here in consideration, we can take it the other way also. You can also write it as DAC. But when you write the congruency, you should be very careful. You cannot write it as DAC. If you are going to write it as triangle BAD is congruent to triangle DAC, then it is wrong. Okay, you cannot write it in this way. It should only be congruent to triangle CAD. So this is as per the side angle side rule. As per the side angle side rule. So we can say that since these two triangles are congruent, obviously angle ABD will be equal to angle ACD. Let's draw it here. Angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Now have we proved what we needed to prove? Yes. So what was our statement? Angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle. So equal sides of the triangle are going to be what? AB and AC. So the angle opposite to AB is what? Angle ACD, and the angle opposite to side AC is going to be angle ABD. Now have we proved that these two are equal? Yes. So thus we have proved that the angles opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle is equal. Is it clear, children? So with this we are completing the proof of theorem 7.2. Okay. So in this we've learnt about the isosceles triangle ABC. We are drawing the construction of drawing bisector AD, an angle bisector AD, where this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. And we know that these sides are equal since it is an isosceles triangle. AD is common. So as per the side angle side, we are able to say that these two are going to be congruent. If these two are congruent, obviously these two angles are equal. Thus we are able to prove that the angles opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Hope you understood this, children. So we have one more theorem which we will be discussing in the upcoming video. Thank you, children.